Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to rotate node. So as example, you can create new design, and if you want to insert node, you can go to the Tile tab and then click on Node Tools. Okay, I will click and you can set into your plan. After it, if you want to rotate this node, you can click on the green icons in here, click hold, and you can rotate the node like this. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, we rotate this node. So if you want to edit again this annotation plan, you can click the node and then you can click the green icons to edit the node. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to rotate node. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.